Hi everyone. I ran over to the Dollar Tree looking for Easter stuff. Let me go ahead and get my light on real quick. Ooh, that's bright. So I found a few things. I found these Be Pure Hydrating Hand Sanitizers and Vanilla Sugar Cookie and Frosted Coconut Scented. Found those. I always need that. And then I found these cute little containers, two of them. I'm going to use these for my little spring flowers that I'm making. You may have seen that on a previous video, maybe yesterday's video. So I was looking for Easter stuff because I want to do some Easter junk journaling. Hold on just a second. I'm really up close. Anyway, maybe it'll work. But I found this little book called Tappy Easter Accounting Book, and it's super cute. I love the illustrations in it, and I just think it's going to make a beautiful little journal. Yeah, that's really close up, isn't it? I don't know what to do. Why my camera is so close. Anyway, just a cute little book. So I won't go through the whole thing. And then I did find the Tale of Peter Rabbit. It's kind of beaten up, but the illustrations in this book are so cute. And I want to make a little Easter junk journal. So that will, or a spring type junk journal. And then I found this, Daniel Gets Scared. The illustrations are cute in this one as well. And I will be turning that into a little journal as well. Here's one, M is for My Mouse. That's cute. I basically wanted it because of the hardcover, so I'm going to use that as the cover. And then another little junk journal. Here's some that I found that are so cute. Happy, kind, loving, thankful, brave, yourself. And I thought this would be such a great little journal for just encouragement, for self-encouragement, self-awareness, taking care of yourself. That would be awesome for that as well. And then here's another one called Thinking of You. And this would be wonderful to give to someone who, may be going through a little bit of a hard time. You could give it away to them, or you can make another little journal with it. I'm going to cinch bind these and make cute little journals. The same with this one, Friendship is Golden. And I'll just find coordinating paper to go with this and make little journals out of all of those. Okay, so for you people that do swaps, which I do, I found these cute little fabric gift bags. I know they were there last year as well. There's 3? No, well, wait a minute. It says there's 4 pieces. Okay, so 4 bags in 4 twines for that. So cute. Okay, that's going to be great for swaps. And then I found this. Stacked pencils, and I did open it up, and each of these is a pencil, and it does write. I just wish they were in different colors. They used to have pencils like this, and they would be in different colors, but they're all the same, regular pencil lead, but they're super cute. And I thought that might be good to put in a swap, just kind of throw it in there. Just, little extra gift. Super cute. But look at this, what I found. These shaped gift bags. There's 2 to a pack. Look at the carrots and look at the fabric. And then there's a drawstring to it. Look how cute. You could stuff these and put them in a tier tray. You could, or some type of accent bowl. You could do so many things with these. I'm going to use them for a swap, for wrapping swap gifts. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at the preciousness in this. There's 2 pieces, and they're both the same. Look at the little faces. Oh my goodness. I really feel like I need to go back and get 2 more of these, because you're going to see there's a different pattern. Aren't these so cute? Here's the second one. And look at the little face, how different it is from the first one. And then I love this fabric. It has the daisies, my favorite flower in the whole world. I don't know why I didn't get an extra of this one. I'm going to have to go back, guys. I'm going to have to go back. And then I found these cute little cards. 3 card games, Carrots, 24 game cards, and then Go Hunt, 24 game cards, and then Rummy. Let's open these up and see what they're about. Oh, look at that. How cute. They're in individual boxes. Oh, look how stinking cute. Those are cute. Okay, let's open them up one at a time. I'm looking at junk journaling for these. Oh, they're cute. Look at that. They're cute. They're super cute. You can make cards. You can make, you know, envelopes for your junk journals to put these in for little, and you could back it up with another piece of paper that's plain on the other side, so it could be a journal spot. Those are cute. Those are super cute. Okay, that was the Rummy one. That's a goodbye. That's a goodbye right there. And here's the Carrots card game. Let's see what this one's about. Sorry, I'm probably shaking my table. Look how cute. And they don't have anything written on there but the little cards. And I think there's like 4 or 5 each. Those are cute. Look at the bees and the daisy. Oh my goodness. And the little bunny. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. And then the carrot. That's cute. Kids would love to play these games, but that's not what I'm gonna do. Okay. Those are cute. Super cute. And then this one, the last one, Go Hunt. Let's see what these are about. Okay. The little eggs. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. 4. 5. What would you do with these? And then 6. What would you do with these if you were junk journaling with them? How would you use them? That's what I would like to know. But anyway, I thought that was so cute. A little cute haul. I may have to go back. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I may have to go back. The little bags, I think I need to get another one of those for sure. But this box right here, you could actually cut it up to include in your junk journaling as well. Anyway, super cute. Talk to you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye.